a Smith & Wesson Model 29 Dirty Harry Special. We're going to shoot it at 100 to 125 yards. We're going to shoot long distance. That's short distance. We go down there for the 40 yards down at my place. 44 Magnum shells here someplace. Here we go. These 44 Magnum are 429 diameter.
Yeah.
The same thing as a 4440. 44 Magnum, 4440, almost the same one. You got your plugs in. You better get away from the front here, Larry. That's going to be noisy. And we'll load this big boy. We're shooting 200 grain hull points here. Same bullets I shoot in the 4440. 4440 rifle is over 2,000 feet per second. That's more powerful than a 44 Magnum. And that's an old caliber. Now let's see what we got here. Find out where I'm shooting, where I should shoot. I got that one. Again. All right. Got some bags here to put this in. Probably should have got up here on the 50 or 75 yards instead of this 125 yard line here. I've had this gun since, this was the Dirty Harry Special presentation grade. I've had this pistol since about 1970 something. Fairly warm loads. What we got here? I don't think I have it written down what they are. Might go up there to the 50-yard line. Let me shoot this other pistol here. I'll shoot this one more time. Can you hear if it's hitting the target?
Huh?
Is it hitting the target?
I heard
it hit the target a few times, but I don't know where to shoot with this thing.
Heard something tick then.
Well, I figured that out finally.
Yeah, that one. Yeah.
That did pretty good. Have to find out how much is the windage. Anyway, this again is a Model 29 Smith & Wesson. Looking down the barrel. Got a white line in the back and real smooth, beautiful action.
Hit a bird or?
There we go again. Here we have another 44 Magnum. Model 29 Smith & Wesson, presentation grade, fully engraved.